Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this photo dump edit on CapCut. Select new project and select around 13 pictures, or like how many ever you want. I hope that sentence makes sense. I just can't connect sentences these days, but select new project and select photos. Just gonna select these photos of Taylor Swift. Once you're done, you are going to select add audio, and I'm just going to select a random audio. Let's see, this one for instance. Select the audio and you're going to match cut it. I'm just going to do auto generate for mine, but you can do yours manually. Select the check mark button. And then every time there's a beat, split the picture and press delete. The picture or video. Split, delete, split, delete, split, delete, and you're just going to do that until you've done that to all of the video or photos, like so. And that's pretty much how you can edit a photo dump photo on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!